Organize cosmetics. Divided sections store daily necessities vertically and in one place. Great for blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, bronzer, highlighter, and brow palettes. Also great for organizing small items such as papers, notepads, and other office supplies. Multiple compartments. 5 compartments accommodate cosmetic items of different sizes. Easy visibility. Transparent surfaces and tiered design allow you to easily view contents. Durability. Its strong textured plastic construction stands up to daily use. Ideal size. Each organizer measures 9.25 by 3.86 by 3.20 to easily fit into small spaces on the bathroom vanity or inside a cabinet for more discreet storage. The iDesign Rain Cosmetic Palette Organizer is a great way to keep makeup and other cosmetic necessities neat and tidy at the bathroom vanity, countertop, dressing table or inside a cabinet. It features 5 open compartments to vertically store cosmetic necessities like eyeshadow, blushes, compacts and makeup palettes. Made of durable textured plastic, this cosmetic organizer's tiered design allows you to store taller items in the back and smaller accessories in the front for quick visibility and easy access. With iDesign by InterDesign, you can #live simply every day. Top reviews from the United States. Fits perfectly in IKEA Alex drawers. So I was looking for something for my smaller compact items, like my ABH bronzers, Kevyn Aucoin and Tom Ford highlight contour powders, etc. That also fit in the smaller drawers of IKEA's Alex 5-drawer version. These did the trick. 10 out of 10 absolutely worth it for the cost. Also, please don't judge my dirty drawer.